Welcome, my name is Dave LaFour. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the FieldVision mobile application platform. FieldVision is a cloud-based mobile application platform that allows property managers, field service providers, and field technicians to collaborate on work that is to be performed. Property managers and field service providers issue work orders to the field service technicians. Field service technicians do the work, they record what was done, and they visually document this work with pictures and video. FieldVision is intended for really three parties here. First is property managers. Property managers use FieldVision to issue work orders, track the status of the work performed by the field service crews. Field service providers use FieldVision to track work performed by their field technicians or crews, and they use it as a reporting tool to their customers, which are often property managers. Field technicians use FieldVision to record the work that they do and then to visually document that work that's been done. The problems with field services. Now, by field services, I mean any work that is performed by workers traveling to another location. This includes maybe HVAC repair, interior cleaning, grounds maintenance, lawn mowing, snow removal, any of those businesses where people leave their home location to go somewhere else and perform work. That's what I'm including in the field services definition here. Property managers have their own set of problems. Property managers are not always present at the property to be serviced at the time of service. In fact, most property managers aren't on the location that they manage. Some of them manage just a few properties, some of them may manage hundreds, and you're simply not there all the time. Because of that, you're not aware of when work gets completed. And you often, as a property manager, have to go out to a property to check if the work was done to your satisfaction. Field service providers also have their own set of problems. The supervision of the crews that they send out into the field can be problematic when you have lots of properties. One supervisor simply can't follow behind every crew all the time to make sure they are getting the work done as specified. Tracking the status of the work they do is also a problem, particularly for smaller companies who record work on paper. And getting that paperwork trail back is a problem. The accurate tracking of their time and materials used is just seems to be a never-ending problem for field service providers. Field technicians are often sent out to perform work. For them, getting complete and accurate instructions on the work to be performed is a problem. Sometimes they'll be given a little bit of information and not all of the information that they need to do the work right. And they often get sent back to correct problems or things that could have been solved if they had been given complete and accurate instructions in the first place. Proving that they did the work that was requested of them can be problematic. Most of the time they'll just come back and say, yes, we did the work, but there is no physical visual proof or documentation of that. It's just somebody saying we did this work. Paperwork required by supervisors and clients can be time consuming for them to put together, and it's not always as accurate as their bosses would like to see. FieldVision solves problems associated with the field services industries. It enables all parties involved to accurately document work required. It allows all parties involved to see the status of work, both in progress and completed work, and to visually document the work performed with pictures and video. Property managers and/or field service providers issue work orders with photos and video for work that needs to be performed. Field technicians get those work orders, they perform the work, they record the services, and they can document the work before and after they do the work with pictures and video. Let's go over some real-world examples. In this case, ABC Property Management Company manages a property at 123 Main Street. They need to get the lawn mowed. ABC Property Management uses FieldVision. They issue a work order to John's Landscaping for lawn mowing. Manager at John's Landscaping assigns the work order to a crew. The John's Landscaping crew mows the lawn. They use FieldVision to check in when they get there. They take before pictures, they mow the lawn, they take after pictures, and record their time and materials on the work order. Once the work order is updated by the crew, everyone involved in the transaction, including ABC Property Management, the supervisors back at John's Landscaping, and the field crew can see the updated work order and the pictures taken by the crew. An example for the field service provider is Jane's Snow Removal. Jane's provides snow removal in Colorado for large national companies. Jane's customers include a chain of 50 restaurants, a chain of 25 convenience stores, and some local businesses. Jane sets up her FieldVision account with all of the properties that they service and creates work orders for her internal crews. When Jane's crew performs the snow removal services, they record the service that they performed, be it plowing or shoveling or both, and then they take before and after photos to document their work. By using FieldVision, Jane can document the work that her crews performed, and she can share that information in real time with her restaurant and convenience store corporate buyers that are out of state. This is a very, very common scenario for service providers who do work for large companies, large chains. A lot of times the people they report to are nowhere near the properties that they're working on. To have the information available to everybody and to be able to give that information instantly to people who are out of state or out of the region is very valuable for the field service provider. FieldVision is a new kind of platform. It is not just another work order entry system. There are a lot of those tools out there. Many of them are very good for what they do, but FieldVision is not simply a single vertically integrated work order system. Think of FieldVision as a collaboration tool for property managers, field service providers, and field technicians. FieldVision can be managed by a property management company, it can be managed by a field service provider, or it can be managed by both. One field service provider can work for multiple clients that utilize FieldVision and communicate with everyone involved. One field technician can work for multiple service providers and use FieldVision to accept work orders and record work for each client. Here's some frequently asked questions. What hardware do I need to run FieldVision? FieldVision is a mobile app that runs on an Android or iOS, Apple iPhone. Do I need to have a computer server to run the database? Nope. FieldVision is a cloud-based mobile application development. All you need is a mobile device and you're ready to start using FieldVision. What does FieldVision cost? Another important item. FieldVision is free for individual users. The field technicians do not have to pay. And the service provider or property manager does not have to pay for the field technicians to use it. FieldVision is designed to be a very, very affordable platform. A lot of work order systems charge per user, anywhere from $20, $30 a month to $150 a month. That is prohibitively expensive for small businesses. FieldVision is not that way. Check out our pricing at www.dtsisoftware.com and you will be pleasantly surprised. Every organization can afford FieldVision. I work for a property management company, but my company has its own work order system. Can I still use FieldVision? Yes, you can create your own personal organization account and issue work orders to the vendors that you work with. That's not a problem. My company already has a work order system. Do I need to replace it to use FieldVision? No, you can use FieldVision in addition to your existing system. You can also integrate FieldVision with your existing system. For more information on how to do that, see us at our website and contact us. We can help you integrate FieldVision with the work order system you have. Another question, I run a small business and would like to have my workers use FieldVision. Can I give access to my customers also? Yes, big feature. For small businesses that would like to have the technological capabilities of large businesses, FieldVision will give you that. You can operate a small business with a small number of workers, yet you can still give your clients real-time access to the work that's being performed on their properties. Can I run any type of field service business on FieldVision? Yes. It allows you to create customized service categories and service codes. Service categories might be for HVAC, for lawn maintenance, or interior cleaning, power washing, painting. Any field services business can be set up to use FieldVision. Will FieldVision work for a large company that manages or services hundreds or thousands of clients? Absolutely. FieldVision is designed as an internet scale application, meaning it's going to work for your company no matter how large or how small it is. It's a cloud-based platform. You can't have too many work orders. You can't have too many properties. You can't have too many videos. It is made for the enterprise. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit us at www.dtsisoftware.com. Look forward to hearing from you, and good luck with FieldVision.